Sierra 1500 boasts a gas V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power, wheels, 20x9, 50.8 cm x 22.9 cm, polished aluminum, transmission, 8-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking. This GMC Sierra 1500 comes equipped with these options: suspension package, off-road includes C71 chrome side front fender emblems, monotube Rancho French shocks and K47, air cleaner, JHD, hill descent control and NZZ, underbody shield. SLT Crew Cab Premium Plus package includes NZP, 20 chrome clad wheels, QSS, P275/55R20 all season, black wall tires, UD5. Front and rear park assist, UVD, heated steering wheel, A48, power sliding rear window, BBQ, 6 rectangular chrome tubular assist steps, UQA, Bose premium audio system, IO6, GMC infotainment 8 diagonal color touch audio system with navigation, JL1, trailer brake controller, Y86, enhanced driver alert package, AN3, front bucket seats, KQV, heated and ventilated seating, CGN, spray on bed liner and T4L, full LED headlamps. Available to substitute, NZP, 20 chrome clad wheels with RD5, 20x9 polished aluminum wheels. Enhanced driver alert package includes UHX, lane keep assist, TQ5, IntelliBeam headlamps, UHY, low speed forward automatic braking, UD5, front and rear park assist and UEU, forward collision alert, safety alert Z, tires, P275/55R20 all-terrain, Blackwall, Summit White. SLT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, seats, front full feature leather appointed bucket with KA1, heated seat cushions and seat backs. Includes 10-way power driver and front passenger seat adjusters, including 2-way power lumbar control, 2-position driver memory, adjustable head restraints, DO7, floor console and storage pockets. Includes K4C, wireless charging, seating, heated and ventilated perforated leather appointed front bucket, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black, perforated leather appointed front seat trim. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 can get you a trustworthy Sierra 1500 today.